Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a deep dive into one of the most powerful luxury SUVs of 2023, the Mercedes-AMG GLC 63 SE Performance. This SUV isn't just an upgrade, it's a complete transformation, design and exterior. Right from the start, the 2023 GLC 63 dominates with its bold AMG styling. You get the signature Panamericana grille, aggressive air intakes, flared wheel arches, and sleek LED lighting. The overall look is sporty, powerful, and unmistakably AMG. The new body lines are sharper, giving the SUV a premium but muscular stance. Engine and performance. Despite losing the classic V8, this new model comes with a 2.0-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine, paired with a powerful electric motor. Together, they produce an incredible 671 horsepower and around 800 Newton-meters of torque. This setup launches the GLC 63 from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 3.5 seconds, making it one of the fastest SUVs in its class. The hybrid system doesn't just boost power, it also improves efficiency and provides instant electric torque for rapid acceleration. Handling and driving experience. The GLC 63 features AMG Performance 4MATIC all-wheel drive, rear-wheel steering and active roll stabilization, making it feel sharp and well-balanced even at high speeds. Whether you're cruising in comfort mode or pushing it in Sport Plus, the SUV delivers a dynamic and confident driving experience. Interior and technology. Inside, you're greeted with a premium AMG interior, sports seats, carbon fiber trim, AMG steering wheel, and Mercedes' latest MBUX infotainment system with a large touchscreen display. Ambient lighting, high-quality materials, and advanced driver assistance features make the cabin comfortable and futuristic. Hybrid system and efficiency. The SUV uses a 6.1 kWh battery, giving you a small electric-only range for city driving.